In this video, I'll show you how to link your PayPal account to Google Pay, step by step. By the way, if you're a business owner, PayPal might not be the best solution for you, but I'll explain more about that later in the video. In order to link your PayPal account to Google Pay, open the Play Store application on your mobile device. Access your profile, which is located at the top right of your screen. Under your profile, select Payments and Subscriptions, click on Payment Method. Then go to Other Payment Methods. You should see a section for Add PayPal. Click on Add PayPal, and you'll be redirected to a UI where you can enter your PayPal email address. That's it. Your PayPal account is successfully linked to Google Pay. PayPal is decent, but personally, I prefer MoneyGram for day-to-day money transfers, especially if you live in the US or Canada. If you're worried about online fraud, they even have physical locations near you where you can make transfers in person. There's a link in the description below to create a free account. But if you run a business or plan to start one, Airwallex is a much better option. You can send and receive money from all over the world, in many different currencies. It's a complete business banking account that goes way beyond what PayPal offers. There should be a video popping up on your screen now. It's a detailed Airwallex review covering everything you need to know. Click the video to start watching.